my YouTube channel. And so today we're doing a very nice thing for New Year. So happy New Year, guys. So we're going to be making a paper chain bunting. So what you will need is a bunch of paper, some glue or tape. Well, I'm using my X-Acto knife, but you can really just use scissors. But do be careful because they can be sharp. So let's get right into it. So firstly, taking one sheet of your paper, you're going to want to fold it in half. And once that is done, you're going to unfold it. And you're going to want to take out your knife or scissors and cut along there. But I'm using a ruler, which I forgot, so I'll need to go back and get that right now. I'm back now with my knife, so I'm just going to go along that fold and carefully draw up my line. So there we go, that's done. What you're going to want to do is measure about 1 centimetre thick for each of your strips, because this is going to be the paper chain part, and you're just going to want to cut there. So once that's all done, you don't have to do the other side. I just want to know how long it's going to be with these babies. So you guys know how paper chains work. You just make a circle and you put another circle through. That's exactly what you guys want to do. So once you've done your paper chains, you're going to need to make sure that you left how many buntings you're going to make. Because I want to make 6, because this is going to go on my door, not around my house. So I left 6 of these strips. I had to go over on the other sheet of paper because it literally didn't look much for a paper chain. So this is a good size for my door. And you guys will have to alter the facts for like your length and how much you're going to do. Because I'm only going to make 6 buntings. So anyways, on we go. We're going to take some more pieces of paper. We're going to fold it in half, because this will be the bunting part now. You're going to want to measure out, because you don't want them to be too big. And I'm going to make mine around like 8 centimeters. I'm going to go there. And I'm going to get a pencil and mark. So I'm just going to mark 8 centimeters. And I think I would like it to go down about this much here. So how many centimeters is that? Buntings are not supposed to be blocks, these are guidelines. I don't want them to be the same size, so I'm making one 8 centimeters and one 3.5 because I don't want it to be the same. Once you've got the mark part, you're just going to draw more of the line. And you're just going to get these parts here and join it up to the corner. And from there you're going to cut it out. See, there is a triangle in the middle, so we're also going to cut that out because on the other side you won't be seeing it. So that will be good. So there we go, we've got our bunting. Now what you're going to want to do, you see, these were 1 centimeters and these are going to thread through it. So you're just going to want to start putting a line through here. So now that's all done, what you're going to want to do is just take some pencils or pens and start colouring on it. All I'm going to put on mine is just saying Happy New Year's and some stars, because I don't really need to take much pride, because in my opinion, plain is always the best. For example, this watch I'm wearing, it's plain and it looks so nice. So that's why I'm not too bothered about making it so detailed. Okay, so my decorations are done. You can probably do a much better job on mine. So I'm just going to sort mine how I would like it. So I would like mine to be like, I want mine to be like this, but then I would have a spare. So I'm just going to do it like this, and I'll have the spare because I do not need it. And what you're going to want to do, nearly taking your paper chain, the ones that you didn't like to take off, you're just going to put through the holes that we made previously. And then you're going to want, because it'll be like this, and you're going to want to find out where you would like to put them on your paper chain. And you just thread it through and glue there. And there we go, our paper chain bunting is all done. So here we have it, our paper chain bunting on the door. This looks really nice, and so yeah, thanks for watching, bye!
Please like and subscribe. Also click the notification button so you can be notified when my latest videos come out. Thanks!